Alright, we're working on the 1992 Dodge Dakota LE 4x4, and I got my spare tire off. I'm going to get that cleaned up and paint it before it goes back on. Run the jack through there. You run that through there, and you turn it counterclockwise to get it down. And then I got both rear shocks on now. Painted up the differential cover. As for the spare tire, I thought there was going to be an issue with the new shock rubbing on the exhaust, but there isn't, which is good. Really happy about that. So and we got the new one on. That's a 3/4 there on the bottom, and I used my breaker bar and the socket, and then I went to the impact. And that top nut, that new one's a 5/8 on the new one, 9/16 on the old one. And these shocks are made, they're ECCPP brand. Can't see it all there, but so that you can't over tighten that bushing. I know on a lot of them it'll say don't, squish them out too far. On these it doesn't say that. Here's one in a sack still. The last one. Everybody wanted to know what brand they were, so I guess we'll take a look if we can. Yeah, there you go. ECCPP. But they are out of China, but I did buy them in the United States, so we're supporting both local and international that way. So the Dodge is coming along good. Really happy with the project. And this truck's used for the farming. The fencing is what I really use it for. In fact, it's full of fencing equipment in the box right now. And when I get it done, I'll be going out there and doing some fencing. Got quite a few calves right now. So I know there's more than a dozen. I don't know the exact count today. I think it'll be 18 at least by the time we're done. But there's another big pasture that'll need to be fenced also. So this truck's essential to the farm. I like the Chevy for going, around town. The Chevy's nice for that, the S10. So, and that's running super good right now. So that's it for tonight. This is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.